Welcome back to another Gameplay Classic tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can change the commentary language on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up eFootball on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, in order to change the commentary language, just navigate to the Extras page. Once you're inside this page, go into Game Settings and then go into the Language menu. Now from this page, choose the second option where it says Commentary Language. This will now show you all of the languages that you have installed while downloading the game. Just choose whichever language you prefer to use, and your chosen language will be applied for the game commentary right away. After this, you can go back to the home page and start playing your desired match, and you will notice your change has been applied. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want to once again switch your commentary language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your commentary language on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.